Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Paul Morris, Vice Mayor of the City of San Pablo. I just wanted to welcome everybody here tonight. It is a great evening. I love being here. I don't know how many times I've been at this event, but it's very, very important to me. We honor these wonderful people that served in collaboration with the United States. And here we are today for another celebration of the Lao American veterans. So I am so excited to see such a great turnout for this event. Yes, sir.
That's about you, Mien.
Yes, Mien. Laos. Lao American veterans, Lao veterans. So today I'm just thrilled to be here, but I just wanted to welcome everybody. I have to leave. I'm not doing very well tonight because of the smoke. It's amazing I can talk, but anyway, here we are. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for working with me. Thank you. Good night. God bless. Love you all. Thank you.